And welcome back down to my favorite beach, Trafalgar Beach. Okay, mainly it's because I live here, but you get the point. We come down to the beach on a beautiful, sunny Sunday, the 26th of July. I'll meet you down there. Okay, so here I am just before we get to the stairs over there. Lovely view out over the ocean over here. Those waves are pretty epic, I will admit that. That's why there's no swimming allowed. The waves are quite crazy. There's also apparently quite a few whales out there, because it's getting to whale season, if there's a thing. But look at that, it looks lovely. Let me go down and I'll film a bit more. Here I am, just got down onto the sand. Oh, it's going to be a nice day today. Look how stunning that looks. There's no swimming allowed, but there are quite a few people busy exercising and jogging along the beach and that. It's always nice to see, but it's nice. The sand feels good. Today's gonna be a good day. It's a very lovely day out here. Very nice. Well, I'm gonna walk around and see what I see. I'll show you anything worthwhile. What I mean by quite a few people on the beach, just walking and jogging and that. Very nice. These waves are quite crazy, I will admit that, I will say that. Listen to them. Look at them, just listen. So I don't regularly film while I'm walking because it's a bit bumpy on the walk. I'm not the most steady person. I'm gonna walk a bit down that way and show you what I see. So I just stopped here and looked back at the waves. Doesn't that look awesome? Let's feel it. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, it's quite cool. I mean, it is in the ocean. It's nice. Very nice. Very refreshing. Sand wash off around my feet, almost full over. Nice. Let's walk on a bit more and see what we see. That's quite a picturesque sight, eh? Taking photos of that while I'm filming. Very nice. Walk on a bit more. See over there, that's where the measurement stick is. Can't really see now, it's covered with sand. Get a bit closer. Yeah, so this stump is actually our measurement stick. Now, the other videos we'll see. It ends over there somewhere, down there. So yeah, it's quite a long tree. It's old blue gum tree. And it's been here for, I've heard, as long as since the early 2000s. So there was a big storm that washed up here apparently. So yeah, that's our measuring stick. Depending on how the severity of the weather, we can see what level the sand is deposited at. I'm gonna walk that side. Yeah, I'm on the top of the old Trafalgar side of the pool, and turn around and look at that side. Isn't that lovely? Oof, love this. Walk on a bit more. If you stop and you look out over the secondary side of Trafalgar, That's what's amazing in Punjabi, Gilmore and everything that side. Got South Rim and Marina Beach down the way down there. It's like a 6K walk or so. The whole walk. I've done it once, twice, that's it. It's quite long. Yeah. Grandma on the beach and well can jump in the water there. Now, I would love to capture that on camera, but my camera won't capture it. And there's also a big ship out there. I'll check a ship just now. I'll be right back. I found out what ship that is. I think it is the MSC Jubilee 9. It's quite a large ship. The container ship. See, the shipping lane is just out over there. And there's a lot of ships that go by. I view on marine traffic. There's a lot of ships. Well, I'm gonna walk a bit more, catch up to my brother and them. Chat more now. I see over there's a fisherman, and I passed by 4 more fishermen. And they all say that they've only caught small fishes. I think, I'm not a fisherman, but I think it's because the waters are so rough. Now, I was taking a bit of a jog, so I might breathe a bit. So, excuse the possible heavy breathing. I'm trying not to be heavy, but yeah. Quite a few people out here today. It's very nice. It's like only 17 degrees or so. So not very hot, but not cold either. Nice dogs over there. So I found this little hidden pathway. There are many of them along the beach. I was gonna explore it, but it looks quite overgrown and quite low. I think it's an animal pathway. It's quite close off. Oh, it would be nice to explore, but not today. Here we go. I found another one. This one is less overgrown. I think I might have explored this one before. Maybe. Yes, I have explored this one before. But we'll go again. Because it's always fun to explore these pathways. This is a private residence. I do know that. I remember that much. Well, technically, not private residence yet. Private residence starts further back. Yes, I have explored this one. It smells like vegetation under here. Because there's a bit of a stream that runs through here. You can see the overgrown vegetation. See, there's the private entrance up there. Up those stairs is private residence. Can't go beyond there. But it's a very nice place, this is awesome. I will admit that. Take a look around. It opens up over here a bit, and it's a lovely place. Nice natural roof, natural ceiling. Very nice. Okay, let's go back out. I love the view as you walk out these hidden pathways and you see the sea in front of you. It's a very nice sight. This probably won't be the most stable video, but it's nice. Regardless, I like this boulevard effect. But yeah, that's quite nice. The sand is cold beneath my feet. You can hear the waves a lot louder as you get closer. But uneven, there's roots and stuff. Look at that view of the ocean as you walk out now. As it comes into focus, isn't that lovely? Very nice, eh? Stop. Take a photo. Very cool, yeah. Well, I'm gonna say cheers. Cheers from the beautiful Trafalgar Beach on a sunny winter Sunday. Cheers.